fellow composers and welcome to the Composing Cook. Okay, today I'm going to be making some oven chips to go with the gyro, the Greek Chicken Gyro, or gyros, or gyros, or...
Flavoured chicken.
That's the one! Flavoured chicken, okay.
And the tzatziki, and the Greek salad,
exactly.
Because Michael does wear other clothes, by the way. This, not, you know, it's the same t-shirt, just different recipes.
Exactly, yeah, all filmed on the...
All done on the same day.
Filmed on the same day, exactly. Okay, so we need chips to go with this. So what I have here, I've got 3 potatoes. This should serve 2 of us. Obviously, if you're doing it for more, then double the amount. But I've got about 500 grams of potato here, which I'm going to cut into chip-sized chips. And I think we can do this speedy gone. All cut up. Okay, I've said this before, but when I make chips, I always try and use baking potatoes because they're bigger. And you get a better length on them like that. I mean, I know these aren't the biggest baking potatoes, but you'll work with what you've got, right? Okay. Let's put them in a tray.
Is that a grease-proof tray?
It's a grease-proof tray.
Or non-stick, I should say.
Yeah, it's a non-stick tray. And the oven is preheating to 200 degrees Celsius. Ours is a fan-assisted oven. If yours is a gas oven, about 210. So get all the chips in here. Now we need to flavour these chips. Now I'm actually going to use the same flavours that I use for the gyro because it makes sense, you know, they complement each other. So I've got the thyme here. I'm going to go for roughly a teaspoon. There we go, a teaspoon of thyme, dry thyme, a teaspoon of dry oregano. And how easy is this? Just throw it on.
Not a packet in sight, guys.
Not a packet inside. Smoked paprika, there we go, a teaspoon. I like smoked paprika, so I'll shove that on. Pepper, a good grinding of pepper. A good grinding of salt. And oil. Just a good glove, just to cover them all. There we go. And you get in there with your hands. You can make this recipe to obviously accompany many other dishes. So with the chips, as you can see, I've put them on a baking tray. I haven't piled them up. I've got them spread out evenly so they all can cook nicely. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put them in the oven, and it will take between probably 20 and 30 minutes to cook, maybe a bit longer. You just have to keep an eye on them. And put them on the top shelf, or middle to top, should I say. And we'll go for 20 minutes and just keep an eye on them. Because depending on the potato and the size of the chip, they can vary. So we will come back when they're done. It's been 30 minutes and I think they are done. Look at those. I'm pretty happy with those. They look amazing. Yep. Let's put these chips in a nice bowl as well. Take it all in. So here's the chips. I've made this for my gyro, and you can make it for whatever dish you like. They are amazing. You will love them. Make them, enjoy them. See you soon. Lots of love. Mwah.